Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to bring textures from Adobe Substance Painter to Blender. As you can see, the model I chose is the livery of the new Red Bull, to which I applied many decals, which is a bit complicated to do internally in Blender. So once you have applied the textures, materials, decals, or other to your model, go to File and press Export Textures. Here, choose the folder where you want to save them. Then, on Output Template, choose Blender, File Type, choose JPEG, and size, put 4096, and click Export. Now go to Blender, and in the add-ons, make sure you have Node Wrangler. Then select your object, go to Shading Mode. Here create a new material. Select the principled BSDF node, press Ctrl-Shift-T, and select your textures. And boom! Here you have correctly imported your textures from Substance Painter to Blender. Well, if the video was useful to you, follow me for more.